Now second question. For what value of k will the consecutive terms 2k plus 1, 3k plus 3 and 5k minus 1 form an AP? So here AP is equal to the term of AP 2k plus 1, 3k plus 3, 5k minus 1. So here first term is A1, second term is A2 and third term is A3. So in a AP the common difference A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 both are equal. So compare both of them. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Putting the value of A2, A2 is equal to 3k plus 3 minus A1 is equal to 2k plus 1 is equal to 5k minus 1. A3 is equal to 5k minus 1 minus A2 is equal to 3k plus 3. Solve this, open the bracket. 3k plus 3 multiplying minus in whole values minus 2k minus 1 is equal to 5k minus 1 minus 3k minus 3. So 3k minus 2k k plus 3 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5k minus 3k 2k minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So k minus 2 in left hand side plus 2 in left hand side minus 2k is equal to minus 4 and plus 2 in right hand side minus 2. So k minus 2k minus k minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 minus minus cancel out, k is equal to 6. For the value of k it is in AP. Now third question, the first three terms of an AP respectively are 3y minus 1, 3y plus 5 and 5y plus 1. Then y equal to option A minus 3, B minus 4, C. This is the question. Okay. So these three terms are in AP. So first term A1 is equal to 3y minus 1, A2 3y plus 5 and the third term A3 is equal to 5y minus 1. All these term in AP. So A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. A2 is equal to 3y plus 5 minus A1 3y minus 1 is equal to the value of A3 5y minus 1 minus A2 is equal to 3y plus 5. Simple, you can solve this. Open the bracket. 3y plus 1 plus 5 minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 5y minus 1 minus multiply minus 3y minus 5. 3y minus 3y cancel. 5 plus 1 6 is equal to 5y minus 3y 2y minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 minus इधर तो 6 plus 6 is equal to 2y. 12 is equal to 2y. So y is equal to 12 by 2. Y is equal to 6. So option 6. 6 is not given. Check it. A2 minus A1 3y upon 5 3y plus 5 minus A1 3y minus 1 and 5y minus 1. A2 is equal to 3y plus 5. Oh, here is A3 is equal to 5y minus 1 minus again plus. So here A2 minus A1 A3 value 5 plus 1. Then solve it. 3y cancel out. 5y minus 3y 2y plus 1 minus 5 minus 4. Okay. So here minus 4 is a plus 4. This is value 10. 2y is equal to 10 by 2. So y is equal to 5. Option C. C option. Understand? Don't make any mistake. Okay. Next question. Note it down. Next question. The common difference of the AP 1 by P, comma 1 minus P upon P, comma 1 minus 2P upon P, comma dot 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 is option A is equal to P, option B minus P, option C minus 1, option D 1, option D 1. All these three terms are in AP. So here one AP is given 1 by P, 1 minus P upon P, comma 1 minus 2P upon P. So first term is A1, A2 and A3, and this is A3. So A3 minus A2 is equal to D, or you can say that A2 minus A1 also D. You can write anything. So A3 minus A2 is equal to D. So what is the value of A3 minus A2 and A2 minus A1? A3 is equal to this one, A2 is equal to this one minus this one. A2 value, so we choose A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. So A2 minus A1, 1 minus P upon P minus A1, the value of A1 is equal to P. LCM P, 1 minus P minus 1. Take the LCM, 1 minus P on P is equal to minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, minus P upon P. P cancel out, minus 1. So common difference is minus 1, option C. Understand? Note it down. Question number 5. Fifth, the common difference. Similarly, the common difference of the AP one by 2B, comma 1 minus 6B upon 2B, comma 1 minus 12B upon 2B, comma dot 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 is. So option A is equal to 2B, B option minus 2B, C option 3 and D option minus 3. How can we solve this? See, the AP is 1 upon 2B, comma 1 minus 6B upon 2B, comma 1 minus 12B upon 2B. So it is a first term A1, A2 and A3. Common difference A2, D is equal to A2 minus A1. Okay, so A2 is equal to 1 minus 6B upon 2B minus 1 by A1 is equal to 1 by 2B. LCM 2B. 1 minus 6B minus 1. Understand? 2B LCM, so 1 minus 6B minus 1. Minus minus cancel out, the value is minus 6B upon 2B. BB cancel, 2 3 are 6. The value is minus 3. Minus 3 is option D. Answer is D option.